3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Take a deep breath and inhale and exhale. Wait. Just 3 rounds of deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now we will raise left leg. Slowly raise your left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly down. Rest in Savasana. Just Savasana মাধ্যমে আমরা রেস্ট